When KTM builds a bike with the Hard Enduro label, you know it's made for the roughest trails and the most brutal conditions imaginable. The 2026 KTM 300 EXC Hard Enduro is a factory-tuned version of the legendary 300 EXC, equipped with premium protection, advanced electronics, and competition-grade components to thrive where other bikes fail. Factory-built for Hard Enduro, this isn't just a standard Enduro with bolt-ons. It's a ready-to-race machine featuring factory wheel set with CNC-machined orange hubs and black spokes, frame, brake, and exhaust protectors plus a robust skid plate, map select switch, front and rear pull straps, and heavy-duty handguards. Hard Enduro exclusive graphics on a striking orange frame. Every part serves a purpose: maximum resilience, easy serviceability, and race-ready ergonomics. Chassis and suspension at its core is KTM's chromoly steel frame, powder-coated in orange for durability and style. The subframe blends lightweight aluminum and reinforced polyamide, flexing under impact instead of snapping. Suspension highlights include WPXACT 48mm closed cartridge forks with tool-free adjustment for quick trackside tuning. WPXPLORPDS rear shock, tuned for stability on rocks, logs, and near vertical climbs. Together, they deliver precise handling and superior ground clearance, essentials in extreme terrain. Smarter technology: the 300 EXC Hard Enduro uses throttle body injection, TBI, with a KN 39mm throttle body, delivering clean, consistent power at all altitudes. Its ECU constantly analyzes air temperature, pressure, throttle position, and RPM to optimize fuel delivery. Adding to that is KTM's Off-Road Control Unit, OCU, an intelligent system that replaces traditional fuses and relays. LED indicators provide instant feedback, so diagnostics and fixes are faster than ever in the middle of nowhere. Cooling, fuel, and protection: radiators with a standard cooling fan keep temperatures in check during brutal climbs. A transparent polyethylene fuel tank makes level checks effortless. Twin air filter system allows quick swaps without tools. Full disc guards, skid plate, and underbody protection built in from the factory. Ergonomics and rider comfort: a flat profile factory seat with anti-slip cover ensures grip and mobility, while ODI lock-on grips and CNC triple clamps provide precise control. The bike also comes with LED lighting designed for durability in high vibration conditions. The 2026 KTM 300 EXC Hard Enduro is more than a motorcycle. It's a survival tool for the world's toughest enduro challenges. Whether it's Erzberg Rodeo, Red Bull Romaniacs, or your own personal mountain pass, this machine is engineered to get you to the top.